Hey guys, it's Gretchen, and welcome back to my channel. It's time for another Stitch Fix. Yes, that's right, it's already time for another Stitch Fix try on. I really shouldn't say it's an unboxing because I've already unboxed it. It's not a surprise for me. But I'm gonna continue to say that because that's just how all of my Stitch Fix videos are labeled now. But yes, my May Stitch Fix has arrived. Yeah, I won't be needing this. Once again, my stylist is too damn good. So for this month, I kind of sort of remember what I asked for. I think I asked for like a romper and a shirt dress and then more sleeveless tops. Unfortunately, my stylist said she was not able to find a romper or a shirt dress that she thought I would like or would fit my style. And that's fine, you know, that was just something a little bit different that I asked for. Not the end of the world that there wasn't anything. But the things she did send me are pretty fantastic and sadly fit my style too well. I am keeping everything. So this month, my stylist sent me a pair of jeans, 2 sleeveless tops, an off-the-shoulder top, and a fashion hoodie. Everything is amazing. She's too good. She knows me too well. This is also fix number 26 for me, so yeah, my stylist knows me pretty well by this point. I did finally update my style profile. I said last time that she was still sending me 4s, even though I was really a 2. So I finally updated it so it was like official. Let's just go ahead and see what I got in this box. All you can see right now are the jeans, but whatever. So the first item I'm going to start with is the fashion hoodie, which apparently that concept confuses a lot of people. People are like, what's a fashion hoodie? I'm like, it's a hoodie that's cute and less functional than normal hoodies. So this fashion hoodie is by Pink Clover, and it is the Bebe knit hoodie, which just is fun to say. Bebe. Okay, I'll stop. It is in the color olive, as that is what the prominent color is. It is a size small, and it runs for $42, which to me, for a hoodie, even if it's a fashion hoodie, is not bad at all. I really love this. Apparently I pinned it a while back. I don't quite remember pinning that, but I'm glad I did because Amber D found it. And it's wonderful. And it's lightweight enough that like on a cool summer day I could wear it, on a spring day I could wear it, and fall I could wear it. Also the colors are pretty good anytime. It's got like this really pretty rose pattern on it, but as you can see the majority is olive. It does have a nice hood to it. It's a little see-through, which is why I think that it'll be good for at least 3 seasons. But this hoodie is just seriously super comfortable. It does have like a little pouch like normal hoodies. It doesn't just have the hood concept to it. I love this so much. And it's very comfortable, even though it's not like 100% cotton, which is usually what I want because my skin is sensitive and I can't have certain fabrics without itching. I really can't say too much about this, other than the fact that it's not 100% cotton. I mean, it does say knit hoodie, so cotton is in there. I just don't know what else it is because you can clearly tell that it's not entirely cotton. But that's okay because my sensitive skin can tolerate it, so there's that. This was the first thing that I grabbed when I went to try on things in this box, just because it's pretty. I really love the olive especially, but also the floral print is really pretty, so definitely keeping this one. Next up is the off-the-shoulder top. This is by Loveappella. This is the Castagna off-the-shoulder knit top. It is size extra small, and it retails for $48, so it's a little bit more expensive than the hoodie. This is amazing. Now this one might be 100% cotton just because it is super soft. Never mind, it's not cotton at all. I lied. It is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. Whereas last fix I said the off-the-shoulder top felt kind of cheap and boxy, this does not. I really like the stretch to it up here. I also don't mind the stretch to it in the sleeves. It is like a 3/4 length sleeve top, which I love. This is very light and flowy. It does not give the boxy feel at all. It says the color is magenta, which I suppose is true because in the pattern the majority is magenta, but there is also like a pale pink as well as a blue of some kind, but it is on a white background, and this is an extra small. When I hold items up, they always look bigger than they actually are, but this is extra small. I just love how this feels. I love wearing off the shoulder tops during the summer. They just feel so much better. I mean, just look at all the different patterns going on here. I love, love, love Love, love this top. I'm pretty sure I have other off-the-shoulder tops by Loveappella. Is it summer yet? No. I'm trying to rush spring apparently. I adore this top. It's really pretty. And I love that this color to it. It says magenta. I guess that is magenta in a way, but it's just really pretty. That's all there is to it. And it's soft. For not being cotton, it's super soft. Next is sleeveless top number 1, which is by the company Colette. It is the Leche cross front detailed knit top. That is quite a mouthful. It is in the color gray. It's a small, and it retails for $28, which I think is quite a bargain. For some reason, from a distance, it looks olive, but maybe that's because I've been staring at the hoodie, but it is definitely a gray. It's got 2 different kinds of stripes. Like the back side are really thin stripes, and the front side are thick stripes. But I think my favorite part is the cross knit part, this little piece of fabric there. This one is a little bit more form-fitting, so that's why Amber D sent me a small. We kind of have this thing where like if it's a more form-fitting top, we do small. If it's a little bit looser, we do an extra small. Works out perfectly. So this one, it may not look like it, but it is a little bit more figure hugging than the next top that I will show you. Much like the off the shoulder top, that was an extra small because it was very flowy. This one is a little bit more snuggy. I love this. It's so soft. Should I read what each item is made of? Again, 95% rayon and 5% spandex. Where is cotton? It has my whole life been a lie. Is rayon what I'm looking for and not cotton? I'm so confused. I feel like I've been lied to. I just love it. It may be simple, but I love gray. It'll be really nice with my yellow. And I like this. This is a nice top. This is a nice, simple top with a little bit of fun and pizzazz to it. I'm also weird. I really like the color gray. Like a lot of people are like, ew, gray's so boring. I'm like, you know what? Shut your mouth. Gray is nice. I like it. My eyes are gray. I'm a little biased. Moving on to the next sleeveless top. This is by the company Kylie. I think that's correct. Everything will be in the description below in case I pronounce things incorrectly, but I'm pretty sure it's by Kylie. It is the Aretha crochet pocket knit top, also a mouthful. This is an extra small because it is a little bit more flowy, and this retails for $36. Now, I've mentioned multiple times before that crochet detailing is like a weakness of mine. So as you can see, this pocket has crochet detailing. It's super cute. I love how the pattern, like there's a mix of patterns here. You've got the nice kind of florally look to the very top right here. This is also a gray. I think that's what it's labeled. Yeah, it's labeled as gray. You've got the stripes down here. Obviously Amber D was on a stripe theme because that's what the other top was. I didn't notice that, but obviously we were feeling stripes this month. So the majority are these really skinny gray stripes. And then you have the top that does have a floral print. We have stripes and floral this month. Amber D, you were feeling something. I see you. I don't know if you actually were, but coincidence? But yeah, it continues on to the back. But as you can see, it is a more flowy and bouncy top. So this one is extra small because it's not quite as figure hugging as the other one. I think what sold me was the crochet pocket for sure, but the rest of it is just amazing. Let's see if this is rayon, because now I just feel like my life is a lie. Yes, 96% rayon and 4% spandex. Oh wait, hold on. So the self and the contrast, what the F does that mean? Anyone explain to me what that is? It's got 2 different labels. It says self and contrast, because the self is 96% rayon and 4% spandex. Contrast is 49% polyester, 37% cotton, 11% rayon, and 3% spandex. I don't know my materials anymore. My life is a lie. I don't know what to do with myself now. That's okay though. I learned that I like rayon apparently. But yeah, I just really like this top. It's a fun one. Great for summer. Always thinking about what I can wear to concerts while looking cute and functional and not sweating my butt off. And the final item that I received is a pair of jeans. This is by the company Vigoss. Again, everything's listed below. I don't know how to pronounce these things. This is the Marley distressed super skinny jean in a size 2. It retails for $68. I wasn't gonna keep these at first just because I was like, oh my God, another pair of jeans. But the fact that they're size 2s, because I changed my style profile, I was like, well, let me give them a shot. These are the most comfortable pair of jeans ever. They're so soft. They do have a little bit of a stretch to them. It even says on the back, super skinny. They are mid-rise, and it says Luxe Stretch, made with super soft stretch denim and provides exceptional recovery. Redefines your body shape, giving you that ultimate fit and comfort. Oh look, Finally, cotton, 86% cotton, 11% polyester, 3% spandex. Okay, cool. I only got something with cotton in it. It does have some distressing, so like down here on the knee, both knees have distressing. No raw hem, hallelujah. Amber D got me on that one. I like these jeans especially because they're not like all the way down past your ankle where you have to fold it back up. They actually come above the ankle. I don't know if that was on purpose or if I'm just tall, which I'm not. I'm like 5'6". The waist is 26 inches and the length is 28 inches. Yeah, so it hits like right above my ankle. So if you're a little bit shorter, it may go to your ankle. But these are so soft. I mean, I'm sure as soon as I wash it, it won't be soft anymore because that's just how things work. But I really like these jeans a lot. They were slimming, very slimming. So I really like these. I mean, they're jeans. Can't really say too much about them other than the fact that they are soft. And they're kind of lightweight too, so they're not like heavy jeans. But they do have some stretch to them, and everyone knows I'm a sucker for a distressed look. So that is everything that I got in my May box. So since I'm getting all 5 items, I do get the 25% off discount. So the grand total of everything comes to $222, which really isn't that bad. But for 25% off buying all 5, it takes off $55.50, which brings it on down to $166.50, which is not that bad. I also have the Style Pass, so I don't have to pay that every single time. I love everything in this box, unfortunately, for my bank account. Let me know in the comments below what item was your favorite. You can let me know in the comments below what item was not your favorite. I mean, I don't care. It's going on my body, not yours. But if there is one, you can go ahead and say it. I don't care. I also have a link below. If you're interested in trying Stitch Fix, the referral link is below. If you sign up, it does help me. So if you enjoy watching my Stitch Fix videos and would like to see me continue doing them, sign up below because it would help me continue so I can actually afford it. But that is it for this Stitch Fix video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Go on down there and hit that subscribe button wherever it may be, because I don't know, even though I do. This is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload, and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.